Gaining immediate respect from others is a crucial skill that can significantly impact both personal and professional relationships. Respect serves as the foundation for trust, collaboration, and effective communication, making it essential for success in any area of life. In this video, you will learn actionable strategies that command respect, such as effective communication, confidence, and integrity. You'll understand the numerous benefits of being respected, including enhanced relationships, increased influence, and greater opportunities for personal and professional growth. So make sure to watch this video until the end. Number 1, understanding respect. Respect is a multifaceted concept that encompasses recognizing the worth and dignity of individuals, both ourselves and others. It manifests in various forms, including self-respect, which is essential for personal well-being, and mutual respect, which fosters healthy relationships. In society, respect influences interactions by promoting understanding and cooperation, leading to stronger connections among individuals. When respect is present, communication flows more smoothly, and conflicts are resolved more effectively. Additionally, being respected by others has significant psychological benefits. It boosts self-esteem, enhances feelings of belonging, and contributes to overall mental health. Ultimately, respect is a vital component that underpins a harmonious and functioning society. Number 2, confidence is key. Confidence plays a pivotal role in earning respect from others. When you exude self-assurance, people are more likely to recognize your value and authority. To build self-confidence, start incorporating positive affirmations into your daily routine. These simple statements can reshape your mindset and boost your self-esteem. Additionally, pay attention to your body language. Maintaining eye contact, standing tall, and using open gestures can significantly convey confidence to those around you. Lastly, practice speaking assertively in conversations. Clearly expressing your thoughts and opinions not only commands respect, but also fosters effective communication. By focusing on these techniques, you'll cultivate the confidence necessary to earn the respect you deserve. Number 3, active listening. Active listening is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance the respect you receive from others. This concept involves fully engaging with the speaker, which includes paying attention, providing feedback, and withholding judgment. Key components of active listening include maintaining eye contact, nodding to show understanding, and summarizing what the speaker has said. To practice active listening effectively, focus on the speaker without distractions, ask open-ended questions, and reflect on their feelings. By showing genuine interest in others' opinions, you not only validate their thoughts, but also foster a deeper connection. This approach not only earns you respect, but also encourages open and meaningful dialogue in your relationships. Number 4, setting boundaries. Healthy boundaries are essential for maintaining respect in any relationship. They define the limits of acceptable behavior and help protect one's emotional and physical well-being. Establishing clear boundaries matters because they create a sense of safety and mutual understanding. To communicate your boundaries effectively, be direct and assertive. Use I statements to express your needs without sounding confrontational. For example, saying, "I need some quiet time to focus," is more effective than making demands. Additionally, respecting others' boundaries is equally important. It demonstrates that you value their feelings and autonomy. By fostering an environment where boundaries are acknowledged and honored, you contribute to a culture of respect and trust. Number 5, consistency and integrity. Consistency in actions is a cornerstone of building respect. When you are reliable and trustworthy, others feel secure in their interactions with you. This reliability fosters a sense of dependability, making people more likely to respect your opinions and decisions. For instance, if you consistently follow through on commitments, others will view you as someone who values their word. Integrity also plays a crucial role in shaping how others perceive you. When your actions align with your values, it creates authenticity that resonates with those around you. Encourage viewers to reflect on their core values and ensure their actions consistently reflect them. This alignment not only earns respect, but also strengthens personal integrity. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insightful content. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who could benefit from these tips. Also, check out other videos in the description To learn about similar topics that might interest you, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.